everyone, I'm Bon and welcome to my first daily edition. In this daily edition, I will be covering what we did last week and what we are going to do last week. Specifically for last week, I'm going to address my problems, challenges, and the general contribution that I gave to the group. Now, for last week, we learned about resilience, which is a skill that is something like resistance, but this time it is about the mental mind instead of physical. So basically, it's just resistance, but mental version, like the psychological version. We learned what is it, what was it, importance of it, which was to keep actuaries and normal people going, and we discussed how to train it. For last week, the main problems that I had that were to find information deeply as well as accurately, which is why in this week, specifically this week, we are going to learn about data, specifically how to find data, how to use data sourcing, and how to use data correctly. Based on my findings this week, I have understood that finding accurate data from websites such as official government documents, peer-reviewed essays, etc. This means that finding accurate data isn't hard, but it is difficult to confirm the information that is written in data. Now, data sourcing is like a method to find, interpret, and then store data. It is mainly used by actuaries and normal people as a way of either training their skills for data finding or finding actual data to use in their project long term. In conclusion, last week we learned about resilience, including what it was and the importance of resilience, how to train resilience, etc. Last week I had a lot of problems about finding accurate data and understanding the data deeply, which is why this week we are working on data finding, usage, data sourcing, and etc. Specifically, how we find accurate sources on the internet, how we use data sourcing efficiently in order to utilize and max out on our ability to take on information, and how we use data correctly. So, that was all for my first daily edition. Hope you have a nice day and bye-bye.